A unique and rare Bradley GTE Electric car is being sold in the USA for only $4,900. It was released in 1980 in only 50 copies. It is quite possible that this is the only copy that has survived to this day. In 1970, the Bradley GT Sports Coupe with a fiberglass body and a chassis taken without changes from the Volkswagen Beetle was born. 5 years later, the GT2 was released with lifting doors like the iconic Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. And 5 years later, when the Bradley company was already in the stage of bankruptcy, the electric version of the GTE Electric was presented. Instead of the Volkswagen opposite, a General Electric engine with a GM controller was installed. 16 lead-acid batteries produced 96 volts in boost mode and half that in cruise mode to increase range. There was also an ordinary battery. It powered all onboard systems of the car: lights, audio system, windshield wipers. The electric motor develops only 21 horsepower, but thanks to the plastic body and, as a result, low weight, the car is able to reach 75 miles per hour. Power reserve on one charge is not reported. The electric car for sale needs repair. It has worn door seals, a dirty, tattered and cluttered interior. The seller honestly warns that all batteries are not working. Hence the low price. However, after restoration, taking into account the rarity, the model can become many times more expensive.